Hello everyone, this is Vipin Kumar here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Vipin K Tech Tips. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to use screen recorder option in Microsoft PowerPoint 2016. So let's start. So open this PowerPoint presentation 2016. As you can see, I'm on slide 1. So if I click on this, click to add title and click to add subtitle options are available by default. I don't want to use, I can delete them. Now the point here is I want to use screen recording option. So for that I need to go to insert menu. So here you can see starting from new slide ending to screen recording, and so many important options are available in between. Okay, table, picture, online pictures, screenshot, photo album, save, smart art, chart, then comments, text box, footer and header, word art, date and time, slide number, object, equations, symbols, video and audio, and then screen recording. Okay, so if you click on screen recording, it will ask you to select the area. Let's say I want to record my entire screen. So what I can do, I can click on select area and I can select the entire screen. Okay, and if I don't want to use entire screen, and if I just want to use this, so that I can do. And here after selecting the area, I have to check whether audio and record pointer options are on. Okay, after checking these options, then you can click on record and it will start recording after 3, 2 and 1. Okay, so now it is recording. If I go back to this, here you'll see it is recording. You can see the time here, 13 seconds. Recording is already done. You can pause it, you can again record it. Now I'm recording this screen. So in between you have to remember that once you have selected this area and you have started the recording, then you cannot change this area. Okay, so if let's say I don't want to present anything and I just want to solve some numerical problem, if I'm a mathematics teacher or if I am teaching engineering students, and if I want to write something here, so what I can do, I can go to review menu and here I can start inking. Okay, find out the shift in neutral point after freeing the elevator. Let's say I want to solve this numerical for which the data is given, some data is given. What I need to find out, x and p by c bar minus x and p prime by c bar, where x and p is the neutral point for stick fixed case and this is for stick free case. So I need to find out the difference of these two. So I know the formula of this is 1 minus f v h neta, then cl alpha t upon cl alpha, sorry, cl alpha w upon cl alpha t, 1 minus d epsilon by d alpha. So this is the formula which is used. Okay, I have written something here just to teach to my students. I can use other options also at the same point. Just go to insert. Let's say I want to insert some picture, click on it, insert my picture. I can resize it. Okay, then I can change using the correction options here. Whatever setting I want, I can keep. Okay, then let's say I want to take the screenshot of this. That is also done. You can see here. Let's say you want to find out some online pictures to show to your students. So you can see here Bing image search option is available, which is obvious. It's the default option in Microsoft softwares. So you'll see airplane. If I click on it and enter, you'll see it will show me some pictures of airplane, and according to my choice I can take any picture. Let's say I like this one and I want to insert it. Okay, so I have inserted this here. Okay, in this picture the airplane is carrying the space shuttle. So I think this is enough to record a video. Now I'll go back to the stop and I can pause it, or I can directly stop it, that depends on me. So here you can see it now. After pausing it, you can see 5-minute video is already recorded using a screen recording option, so I can stop it. Okay, this is it. Once I stop it, you will see video is here. If you, let's say, you don't want this video on this page, just cut it, go to next slide and paste it like this. Okay, so paste option and play it. And okay, so now it is recording. If I go back to this, here you'll see need plane available which you want to use. Okay, so here you saw that video is recorded and everything is recorded well, and here you can see in this video the other options which I have used to create this video are not recorded here because the selected area was not full screen. Selected area was only the area of the slide. Okay, so it's not showing the options which I have used here. Okay, now once you have recorded the video, you can check other options also, like if you want to check whether you can change the style. Let's say I want to change the style of this video. I can use so many options. Let's say I want to use this option, so you can see here I can change the style. Then I can trim this video using trim option. I can start. So in start option, you'll see either you want to play it automatically or you want to play it after clicking on it. Okay, if I want to trim this video, I can do that also by just sliding this green bar from this side and red bar from this side. I can crop this video and I can preview it. Then let's say I want to take the screenshot of this. That is also done. You can see here available windows. So it's already screenshotted. So here you saw that video has a stop on the red bar. Okay, that means the video is cropped up to this point. If I click on OK, then video will be cropped, and if I play it on next time on the slide, you will see it will start from the cropped version. Available windows, so it's already screenshotted. Okay, so here you can see the original video was of 5 minutes. You can see I have cropped it to 2 minutes and 24 or 25 seconds, so I have cropped it. Okay, now next option is format video. Here you can see format video similar to the format images option, so as per your choice you can use these options. Okay, otherwise you can leave this video as it is. And then next option is size and position, so like this. Okay, so you don't need to use this option because you can do that by using your cursor also. If you look here, that there are two options, save media as. So you'll see it will automatically save it as a media file, which is mp4 file. And otherwise if you want to just save it as a picture, that also can be done. And if, let's say, you can see here that click to add option title is there. Then if, let's say, you don't want to delete it and you don't want to be it on top also, what you can do, you can just click on this video and bring to front. Okay, and if you expand it, so you'll see the back of this video is not visible, and if you click on send to back, then it will be visible like this. Okay, so these are the options which can be useful in video recording option. Okay, so I hope with this you can make better videos using screen recording option. I can use other applications also. Let's say I want to use OneNote for my classes and I'm using video screen recording option in PowerPoint, so I can do that also. That is also possible. So this was it in this tutorial. So I hope you learned how to record a video using screen recording option in PowerPoint 2016. But It's not like it is only available in 2016, it is available in older versions also. So if you are using an older version, so you can check in your software that it will be this option of screen recording will be available there also. So with this, I'd like to stop the video. So thank you all of you, and if you like this video, please share it with other friends also who are using PowerPoint presentation. So thank you everyone, stay safe.